In the cold season, we often face problems related to the car battery. Knowing how to check the battery level indicator can be essential to avoid unpleasant situations such as the car not starting when you have to leave for work in the morning. Some Volkswagen cars come equipped with a special button that allows you to quickly check the battery level indicator, as in this case, the Volkswagen Golf MK7, but it can also be checked on other Volkswagen cars that have a similar instrument cluster like Passat B8, Tiguan and Jetta. In this video tutorial, we will show you how you can check the battery status simply and quickly, by pressing just one button. 1. Press the 0.0 button on the instrument cluster once to turn on the display. 2. Press again the same button and hold it until the display shows status of charge, SOC, and then release the button. Ideally, it should be within the range specified by the manufacturer. If the percentage of the level indicator is significantly lower, it's time to change the battery. Don't you have something like this on your car? It's okay, it can be activated quite simply using a VCDS, VADCAM, skin tool. See the link in the video description how you can activate this function to show your battery status using a VCDS scan tool. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.